A look as healthcare workers in our province walk off the job protesting recent cuts and layoffs, and they say they've reached their breaking point. The wildcat strike started this morning in locations across the province, including here in our city. Carolyn Curry-Castillo joins us live from the foothills this afternoon, where one of the demonstrations is taking place. And Carolyn, healthcare workers say they're worried about their jobs.
Now, they certainly are. This action took a lot of people by surprise this morning when dozens of healthcare workers showed up here in front of the Foothills Hospital and at other hospitals across Calgary and Edmonton. Now, AUPE officials tell me this is a member-driven wildcat strike. Union leaders say the anger has been building for months and that the recent announcement by the province that 11,000 Alberta Health Services jobs could be cut was the last straw. A union spokesperson told me this morning they want to see the health minister cancel plans to privatize jobs, and they want to see the short staffing issues addressed. Bobby Jo Barodi says she's proud of the workers who are out here right now taking a stand to protect their jobs and benefits.
It's sad that they're the ones that have to do this. I'm sure people are surprised, didn't think that it would be the housekeepers that would take this step, but they are. They've had enough, and they're integral to how this operation runs. They're integral to keeping all of us safe during a pandemic.
Now, many of the people that I talked to here are housekeeping staff, and they said they were scared to come out here on this wildcat strike, but they felt they had no choice because they were scared of losing their jobs.
It's not fair. It's not fair because we have a lot of responsibility. We have mortgage, we have kids, everybody have life. So accidentally he did this, but other place, example in Europe, in other countries they make extra money for COVID time, but this guy he want to cut. It's not fair.
Now, the AHS has reached out to the Labour Relations Board to direct workers back to work. AHS has contingency plans in place. They are asking non-unionized staff and management to take the place of the workers who are out on the picket lines today, and some surgeries are being postponed because of the actions, and patients will be contacted if they are affected, and they've asked striking workers to get back to work. Now, union leaders I talked to say their members are willing to stay out here as long as possible, as long as it takes to get some government to take some actions. Now, most other Alberta unions have thrown their support behind this action, including the Alberta Federation of Labour, the Alberta Teachers Union, and the Nurses Union. And we just got a statement from Finance Minister Travis Taves, who said that the people that are behind this action, this illegal action, will be held accountable. Tracy?
All right. Thanks so much, Caroline.